Alliance Gator. Gator Dust is a unique mixture of polymer binders and calibrated stone. Once set, it will still retain flexibility and provide a long-lasting, durable jointing material. Gator Dust, polymeric stone dust, extra bonding, extra strength, extra durability. Product works at above 15 Celsius. Fast setting, minimum 24 hours without rain. Compatible with all types of wet cast and natural stones for joints that are a minimum of 1.25 centimeters to a maximum of 15 centimeters wide. Does not haze stones for pedestrian use only and covered with a 15-year limited warranty. Gator Dust is recommended for a variety of uses. Walkways and pool decks, including patios, and are offered in Sahara Beige and Stone Gray. Gator Dust could also be used with a Gator base foundation. Cover the foundation inside with a Gator Fabric GF 4.4. Lay and compact sand, lay the Gator base. Lay a level loose bedding sand. Traditional way. Cover the foundation inside with a Gator Fabric GF 4.4. Fill and compact the excavated area with 15 centimeters minimum of crushed stone. One Gator base replaces a whopping 15 centimeters of compacted crushed stone. Gator base make you save excavation and labor. What is saving? Lay and level 0.25 centimeters of loose bedding sand. We are now ready to lay the stone and fill the joints with the Gator Dust. When installed, wet cast and natural stone sides and top surfaces must be completely dry. Gator Dust can only be installed above 15 Celsius and no rain forecasted in the next 24 hours. Do not use when the stones are installed over a concrete base. Installation steps. Step 1. Stones installations. Install the stones on a maximum 0.25 centimeters bed of sand. Step 2. Gator Dust installation for natural stones. Using a hard bristle broom, sweep it in between the full depth of the natural stone joints. Step 3. Compaction and consolidation of the Gator Dust. Hit the stones with a rubber mallet. This will make the Gator Dust settle firmly into the joints by removing any air pockets. Repeat step 2 and 3 at least twice. Step 4. Sweep off excess Gator Dust. Using a soft bristle broom, sweep all excess off stone surfaces. Ensure it lies at least 3 millimeters below the top of the stones. Step 5. Blowing off excess Gator Dust residue. Using a leaf blower, blow all residues off stone surfaces. Step 6. Watering activation process. Shower water on a specific water area 5 square meters for 90 seconds. Stop showering when you see water retention on the stone's joints. Repeat the directions for all other areas that have not been showered with water. Step 7. Blowing off excess water and Gator Dust. This blowing action is necessary to help remove any remaining residue on the stone surfaces from the previous steps. Gator Dust. Extra bonding, extra strength, extra durability. To learn more, visit us at alliancegator.com.